Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung song ng KOLOHE, yung Eho Girl. So yan guys, pasok na tayo sa intro. So yung intro ng Eho Girl ay ganito. So yan yung intro ng Eho Girl. So gagawin ko part by part. So may dalawang part ito. Yung unang part ay ito, C, down strum, then hammer dito sa ito. Okay? Hammer, then open, ito. Hammer, open, then F, then open, hammer ulit, then G. Okay, yan yung first part. Okay, ulitin ko. C, down strum, hammer, open, F, open, hammer ulit, G. So, yan yung first part. So, ganito yan. Okay, yan yung first part. Yung second part, ito naman. C ulit. Okay. C, hammer, hammer, open, F, then open, ito open, then ito, pwede rin slide, pero mas madali ito, open, okay ulit, isa pa, open, isa pa, A minor, G. Okay? Dalawang beses. A minor, G. Isa pa. So, ulitin ko yung second part. C. Hammer, open, F, open, hammer. So, ganyan yung intro. Okay? So, ipi-play ko ng magkasabay na yung dalawang part. Okay, so pasok na tayo sa verse. Ang chords ng verse ay C, C, then F, then G, then G7. Ngayon guys, kung malilito kayo sa galing sa G tas mag G7, babad na lang kayo sa G. Okay? Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay? Pwede naman. So, ganito yan. Said it happened last night about 10 to 11 when I first laid eyes on you. Babad. Ngayon, kung gagamitan ko siya ng G7, ganito yan. Said it happened last night, about 10 to 11, when I first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line. Okay? So, ganun siya. Bahala kayo kung gagamitan nyo ng G7 o babad lang kayo sa G. Okay? Okay lang naman yun. So, ngayon, ang strumming naman, ganito. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, ganito yan. Okay? So, ganyan yung strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up. Okay? So, ganyan yung strumming. So, ulitin ko yung verse. C, said it happened last night about 10 to 11 when I first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line. Dito, babad ka sa C. We're standing in line into Club 777. It was just. Okay, suggest ka na mag F, just like heaven, na dream come true. Okay, sa pangalawang ikot, sa may part na standing, D minor na yan, D minor ito. Yan, D minor. Standing in right place, at the right time, D minor, G, then A minor. Okay, standing in right place at the right time. Then next chord F. When you this girl, sa G, isang bagsak na lang. Cause the crime, you're my chorus na. Pretty little girl, who made me a fool in love. You got my heart all in a whirl, and now it needs cooling off. Set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. Set my heart on fire. Tandaan nyo, kung malilito kayo sa G7, babad na lang kayo sa G. Okay? Set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. Set my heart on fire. Now I'm so in love with you. You, my girl. So, ang chords ng chorus ay C, F, G, tas G7. Ngayon, kung malilito ka, nga, babad ka na sa G. So, pero yung ituturo ko sa inyo, yung may G7. Okay? So, you're my pretty little girl, who made me a fool in love. You got my heart all in a whirl, and now it needs cooling off. Set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. Set my heart on fire. Now I'm so in love with you, my girl. After nyan, sa chorus, babalik ka dun sa pangalawang part ng intro lang. Okay? So, yan lang. Then, after that, babalik ka na sa second part ng verse. So, tandaan nyo lang guys yung mga words kung saan ako lumilipat. Okay? Said I'm feeling it now. Something I've never felt. My heart so hot. Think I'm gonna melt somehow. Ayun, dito, tandaan nyo guys, sa verse, yung pangalawang ikot, babad na yun sa C. Somehow, I want to see you again, my love. Okay, sa love na ako lumipat. Love, sent from above, oh yeah. A beautiful girl's less I've seen a few. But out of all the beauty in the world, there's no one quite like you. Pag sa pinaka-last line ng verse, isang strum na lang yan. There's no one quite like you, 'cause you're my, balik sa chorus, pretty little girl, who made me a fool in love. You got my heart all in a whirl, and now it needs cooling off. Set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. Set my heart on fire. Now I'm so in love with you, my girl. Dito, balik ka na sa full na intro. Okay? Then after nyan, punta ka na sa bridge. And your hair flows in the air. Shining eyes reflects the sky. Smile burns up my flame. But I don't know your name, and I guess I'll call you my pretty little girl, who made me a fool in love. You got my heart all in a whirl, and now it needs cooling off. Set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. Set my heart on fire. I'm so in love with you, my oh girl. So, ayan, ganyan lang yung pag-play ng Iho Girl. So, ayan, para mas makuha nyo siya, ulit-ulitin nyo lang panoorin tong video, lalo na yung intro part. Okay, salamat sa panonood. See you sa mga susunod ko pang video.